Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here, and inside this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money with affiliate marketing. I'm also going to be answering the question, is affiliate marketing dead? Well, of course affiliate marketing isn't dead, but I'm going to show you one unique way inside this video that you can make money with affiliate marketing that doesn't take any prior experience, doesn't take any knowledge of the internet marketing game at all, and it doesn't take much of your time. So you're not going to want to miss this video. Make sure you watch this video till the end. But before we get started, my name is Fergal Downs and I create videos on this YouTube channel that shows you how to make money online, build an online business, get traffic to your websites, and everything else in between. So if you could please take a moment to go below this video to hit the subscribe button, it would really help me out. And then please hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And when you've that done, we'll get started, and I'm going to show you inside this video from start to finish how to make money with one simple affiliate marketing method. Okay guys, so let's get started. What I'm going to be showing you in this video is a very simple way to make affiliate marketing commissions. It's called launch jacking with videos. So what we're going to be doing is creating simple review videos that we don't even have to create ourselves. We're then going to be ranking those videos on YouTube. We're going to be ranking them in Google to get to siphon away some of the traffic that is going to these big product launches that happen every single day. And when we siphon that traffic away, we get paid every single time that a purchase goes through one of our videos. I'm also going to be showing you how to create a dedicated Facebook account so that you can get add affiliate marketing friends to this Facebook account, so that you can get unlimited unlimited internet marketing products absolutely for free. So first place we need to go over to a website called muncheye.com, muncheye.com, all one word. Here is where all of the different products are released, they're all notified for release on the internet. So basically, like, today is the 16th of September. You've got Sam Backer launching Video Event Summit is $27. The affiliate gets 100% commission on the front end product. You've got Yves Koyo, you've got PLR Experts, you've got Dr. Amit Parikh, you've got James Renouf, and you've also got Cliff Burrell. So that's 6 products being launched just today. That's 6 different videos you can rank for and siphon off some of that traffic and make sales. Now, sometimes you're going to make 1 or 2 sales. Sometimes you're going to make 10 or 20 sales. But if you're doing 6 videos per day, or if you're just doing 1 video per day, you're going to make a ton of money with this method like I've shown you previously. This method works really well. So let's say we're going to go for Sam Backer's event. Sam Backer is one of the biggest marketers in the industry, but actually we're not going to go for him because he's launching on a different website where you need to get approval for promoting it. So let's go with James Renouf here. I know his product is going to do very well. So if you just come in here to James Renouf, sorry, there's some builders in the background there. Hopefully that noise doesn't come through. Sorry guys, just paused there because there's some builders in the background. It's not me farting. I know it probably sounds like that. It's actually a drill. So anyway, what you're going to do is click into James Renouf here, and then you're going to see the JV page here. Click into that. This one is done in Google Documents. You're going to go down here and look for the Warrior Plus sign up link. You're going to go and click into the Warrior Plus sign up link. You're going to create a Warrior Plus account. It's absolutely for free. Go and click on request. You can type something in here, say I am a student of I can't spell today, of Fergal Downs. So something like that, and once James sees that, he'll know that you're one of my students, and you're just going to click on request offer. I should be approved instantly, but with someone who's a new affiliate, it might take a little bit of time, or you might have to message James on Facebook, and I'm going to show you that in just a moment. So this page is going to refresh. I should get my affiliate link straight away. Let's just see. So it's pending. He's going to just approve my affiliate link there. So you can see you've got the front end sales page here, and you've got all of the different information here on the JV page. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a review video. Now, below this video, I'll have a link for one of my reviews. Now, it won't be a review for this product, it'll be a review for a different product, but you can see how those reviews are structured. So now what you're going to do once you've got your affiliate link is you're going to come in to Facebook. I'm going to open up Facebook. So I recommend you create a dedicated Facebook account for your internet marketing, and then you're just going to add all of these internet marketing people from Munchai. So then you're going to look for James Wren. I think that's how you spell his name. Okay, so you go to James and you go click into Message James and you say, hey James, I'm an affiliate marketer. I'm a student of Fergal Downs. Could you send me review access for your launch, which is called $2 million commission system? James will get back to you and he'll send you a review access, and also then say to James, also James, I need approval. Can you approve me? My Warrior Plus ID is blah, 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 whatever it is. James will approve you, and that's it. Then you'll be approved and you'll be ready to go. So then what you need to do, so you've got the sales page. The sales page is here. You've got your review access. Go in and just do a quick review on the offer and say the link to join is going to be in the description box below. Here is what the product is all about. So here's the sales page. Here's inside the product. Here's what the product does. 5-minute review. Post it on YouTube. It's going to rank in YouTube. It's going to rank in Google, and you're going to siphon off some of that traffic and get sales for yourself. Again, sometimes when you do a review, it'll make 1 to 2 sales. Sometimes it'll make 10 to 20 sales. So guys, that's pretty much all that you have to do for this. You don't need a website. The good thing about this is you don't need a website. You don't need to buy hosting. You don't need to buy domain names. You know, you don't need to know the whole aspects of affiliate marketing, internet marketing, the stuff that took me 4 years to learn. It took me 4 years from 2008 to 2012 to be able to become a full-time internet marketer. But with this method, you can literally make a full-time income by just doing this. If you were to review every video that goes out per day, you can make a full time income with this. So looking at the 16th, there's six products to review. Looking at the 17th, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at the 18th, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 as well. And on the 19th, we just do one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the 19th. And as you go, you're going to know which guys bring you the most sales. So let's say the likes of Glyn Kosky. When he does a launch, it usually makes more than 1,000 sales. So your chances of siphoning off more sales from Glyn Kosky than someone like, now I don't want to say anything bad about anyone, but someone else who makes 100 sales, you know, the chance of you making more sales with Glyn Kosky is a lot higher than someone else. So as you go, you're going to see the likes of Sam Backer makes a lot of sales, Yves Coyo makes a lot of sales, James Renouf makes a lot of sales, John O. Armstrong makes a lot of sales, these kind of people. So you're going to know that you can pick and choose the ones that you want to do the review for, so that you're not doing 6 or 4 or 5 reviews every single day. You're doing 2 or 3 or 1 quality one, saving yourself a lot of time. Then the very last thing that you're going to want to do, guys, is upload the video. I'm going to show you the simple upload process that's going to get you a ton of views. You come in to just your normal YouTube account. So if we just go to YouTube Studio, so I'm going to go to create here and go to upload videos. I'm going to go to select files, and I'm just going to go ahead and select one of my videos that I have at random here. So this video is going to start uploading. I'm going to set the title. The title name is going to be, if we go back over here, let's say for example we're doing Sam Backer Virtual Event Summit. So let's just go with this one for the sake of this video. So I'll go Virtual Event Summit review, and then down here we're going to go Virtual Event Summit get virtual, so we won't do that, we'll just do, and then you're going to have http://yourlink.com. So this is where you put your affiliate link. Now what you can do is go and put a bit.ly link in here. So I'll show you that very quickly there. to make your link look a little bit better instead of a big long affiliate link. So you would come over to a website called bit.ly, B-I-T-L-Y. You're just going to go to get started for free. Okay, so now we're just going to create a new link. So create a first link here, destination URL. We'd put our affiliate link in here. We click on next, and you can say a custom link. You can say virtual summit, and we're going to click on, so this is already taken, virtual summit review. Let's see if that's taken. Looks to be okay. Click on create. And here is our link. So we put this, instead of the crazy looking affiliate link, we put this in here, and now that link is going to go directly to our to the offer via our affiliate link, and we're going to get paid for every single sale that goes through our link. So we're going to select then no, it's not made for kids. We're going to put in, very important, the tags section here. So we've got virtual event summit, virtual event summit. And to that one, we're going to go virtual event summit review. And those are the only two links that we're going to put in there. Scrolling down, we can select our video language. So it selects here for UK. I'm actually in Ireland, so well, I'm from Ireland. I'm in Spain, but I'm going to type in English, Ireland, and that is all we need to do there. And the video type is education, academic system. I just put in Ireland here. This doesn't really make a whole lot of difference. And that is it. Just click on next and upload the video. You can follow the process here. Next. You don't do anything with this here. Click on next. Copyright issues, click on next. And you're going to make the video public, and the video is going to go live. I'm not going to do that right now because it was just a test video for me. So I'll just click off. So that is the upload process. And then if you do that with all the videos, you're going to get paid for every single sale that goes through your link. It's a very, very easy way to make affiliate marketing sales without having to know website creation, all of the stuff that comes along with affiliate marketing through search engine optimization. I hate doing search engine optimization. I recommend that you, if you're a newbie, do not do search engine optimization because it's going to drive you crazy, whereas you can get your videos ranked so much easier, and it's a lot more fun doing videos, and you don't have to get yourself on camera. You can just do your voice. That is it for this video, guys. Again, please hit the subscribe button below this video. If you do have questions or comments, please put them in the comment section below, and I look forward to seeing you inside my next video.